You're just gonna be in the video. Okay. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I have a really cute and quick craft for you guys to do. It is like awesome. I love it. I got addicted and hooked on it, you guys. Now you can sell these. Pretty much what I did was I made these bows. You guys, look at these. These are super cute. Really, you gonna give me the thumbs down? These are super cute, and look at what I got in the middle. That's right, you guys. Those are the buttons. So I put, girl, be quiet. So I put the buttons to use. Now imagine if you don't have the button machine, you can do fabric buttons as well. And it will be super, super cute. I sat and just made a bunch of these. Okay, thank you. Or another thing that you can do is you can use the bling wrap.
Yeah, the bling wrap.
Yes, you can use the bling wrap, or you can also use little flat back beads for embellishment. Okay, and hair clips.
These guys.
But as you can see, I use foam sheets for this project. Foam sheets, like that's why it's very.
Yeah, but it's this.
It's very cheap and inexpensive. I got those from Walmart. But I had already had those, so this was like an easy project.
Yeah.
You could also get the glitter foam. I'm also going to purchase me some glitter foam over the this weekend.
Yeah.
All you have to do to get the template is to just go to Google and type in bow template, and bam, it comes up. It is there. And this is pretty much what your pieces will look like. This is all that it is. It's just this. That's it.
Yeah.
Really simple, really easy. My daughter just came home from school. She's knocking at the door, so I will see you guys in really soon. Bye. Okay, so this is the template pretty much that is cut out. I did two different sizes. I did a bigger size, and then I did a smaller size, which is how I get the the layered effect right here, which is a small one and then a bigger one. So of course this is going to be the bigger one. This is going to be the smaller one. And then you have the little ribbon, pretty much, which is the whatever. Okay, so this is why I said you can have these kind of hair clips, and these is the clips that I'm going to be using. What is these? It just say barrette, so we're just going to go with it. But pretty much what you want to do, all you want to do, I just take a white what is this? A white colored pencil. I wouldn't say it's color because it's white, but all you do is pretty much put the template down on the foam and trace over it. So I'm going to go ahead and trace over it, and then I'm going to cut it out as well, and then I will be back on here to show you guys what to do next. Thing cut out, these pretty much is what you're going to be left with right here. Now you do not have to use you don't have to do two tiers of this. You can just do because when you download the template, it's just going to have just the one and just the ribbon. So I don't want you to be confused. But me, I just wanted to make a bigger stacked bow, so I did two. But you don't have to. It's up to you. It is your preference. So to start with, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take your ribbon. Well, it's not a, I don't know. Look, I don't know what to call it, okay? We're going to take the piece that we cut out and we're about to glue it. Now you see how it has a little two longer ends. It looks like a bra. We're going to call this a bra. A little bra template. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the glue dot right there on your squares, and then you are going to pretty much push them in the middle and then hold them in place. And do you see that? What you got right there? Bam. You got like a little ribbon type thing. So I'm putting my little two glue dots. Like I said, we're going to fold them in the middle. And then we're just going to hold them in place for a little while. Or if you don't want to do it that way, you could also just put a line of glue in the middle and then just bring them forward. I mean, whatever works best for you, whatever floats your boat. But these are super cute, super easy to make. And like I said, you can also sell these. So We have one done. Let's go ahead and do the pink one. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one. I'm going to do this one the opposite way. I'm going to just do the line in the middle on this one. Okay. So, do the line in the middle. And my glue gun just fell on the gosh darn floor. It's alright. And then you just go ahead and stick it down. Yeah. And then you just hold it in place for 5 to 10 seconds or until you feel like it is secure. You can just tear the excess glue off. That's not really a big deal. But bam, we got that one. So as you can see, you can pretty much see how that's going to go. Just like this. And then this is just going to go right in the back. I mean, y'all, this is like so simple, so easy to do. I just love simple, easy crafts. Like, can't get enough of it. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of glue and then find where I think the middle is and then just go ahead and place that bad boy on down. Then of course you got all these stupid glue strands. Move them glue hairs out the way. Okay, bam, look at that. Look at that, cute. And then we're going to take this, which this is pretty much the base of it. You're going to put a strip of glue right there. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright. Then we're going to take our bow and we're just going to lay it and place it down. Pretty much glue it. Look at that, you guys. That's super cute. Super cute. And then I got a little strip that I cut out. I mean, you don't need the template for that, even though the templates do come with it. But this is pretty much going to be what we use to glue this all in place like that. Now, you can just leave your bow like, you know what? I think I might leave my bow like that. Or you could embellish, you know, put some, I don't know. I'm so confused. Okay. So, I'm just going to go ahead and put a little dot in the middle. Dot is in the middle. It is done. It's sealed. It's done. Okay. So, that is right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the back. Always see where they meet up and then cut them. That way I don't have no extra. Ooh, that just hit me right in the face. So rude. Okay, yep, that's good. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue on it. Glue that bad boy on down. And I'm going to go ahead and hold that one in place. So, how's you guys, how your day going so far, you know? Got extra time here. How are you guys doing? Okay, let's see. All right, let's see. All right. Now, you know what? I'm so conflicted because I don't know if I want to leave this bow as is or if I want to put that embellishment on it, like, because I think it's cute just the way it is. Like, that is a really cute bow, and I don't have any bows that's just as is. Nope, I'm going to embellish it. I got to put bling on it. And then for this, I just go ahead and put glue pretty much over the whole thing. Over the whole thing. And then you go, oh, come on, Bo, get your life together. Had to get that glue off. Okay. Then I pretty much just look, center it. And this bow right here, the one that I had, this bow is pretty big. It's 4.5 inches, and to me, that's huge for a bow. I did these, and my daughters, they loved it. Like, they wanted to wear it. Well, my younger ones. My 5th grader, you know, she's too old for that. She thinks she's too old. Oh, no, Mom, I can't wear that. It's cute, though. Whatever, you don't got to hurt my feelings. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to go ahead and add that on. It looks cute. Yep. All right, and that is the bow, you guys, from start to finish. And I always like fluff it up on the side, because if not, this thing will be kind of flat. But that's how the boat. Ooh, that's so blingy. Look at that string hanging down. But that is how the bow turned out. I think it's really cute. Like I said, simple. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.